The concrete transit mixer is a special vehicle that is used to mix and transport concrete. Zoomline Transit Mixer is deeply trusted by customers for its reputation of high reliability, economical cost, and environment-friendly. So what are the operation regulations and common faults of Zoomline Transit Mixer? Zoomline Transit Mixer will be introduced from the following 5 aspects: safety work condition, transit mixer structure, operation and precautions, transit mixer regular maintenance, and common faults. First, safety work condition. First, the road should be flat and solid enough, prohibited to work on the soft ground. Second, during the transportation, the maximum driving speed should be less than 50 km per hour. The turning speed should be less than 15 km per hour. Otherwise, transit mixer may be turned over. Second, transit mixer structure. Before operating the transit mixer, we must know well its main structure. The transit mixer is made up of chassis and upper structure. First, the chassis. The chassis mainly provides the power and support. Second, the upper structure. The upper structure contains drum, vehicle frame assembly, feed and discharge device, operation system, water supply system, hydraulic system. Is the concrete carrier. First, the drum. The brand new design drum ensures the better concrete quality during transportation and the faster speed of feeding and discharging concrete. Second, the vehicle frame assembly. It mainly supports and fixes the drum. Third, the feed and discharge device. Feed. The concrete flows through the feed hopper and into the drum. Discharge. The concrete is pushed out by the drum propeller, then discharged through main chute and extra chute. Fourth, the operation system. The operation system controls the hydraulic pump and engine speed by the control lever, so as to realize the functions of drum mix, feed, and discharge, stop. The operation system provides 3 points operation, 1 point in set cap, 2 points on both sides of vehicle tail. Fifth, water supply system. The water supply system is mainly used to clean the mix device that commonly use the pneumatic type water supply system. Sixth, hydraulic system. The hydraulic system mainly includes hydraulic pump, hydraulic motor, cooler with oil tank. It drives the reducer to rotate the drum. Third, the transit mixer operation and precautions. Although there are many brands of chassis, the operation is the same. Firstly, check the whole transit mixer before work. Then do the concrete load, transportation and discharge. At last, clean the machine. First, check the whole transit mixer before work. First, check the hydraulic oil, fuel, urea, coolant, engine oil are knob or not. Second, check the nuts of tires. All the other nuts are loose or not. Check out the lock points are locked or not. Third, check if any oil leakage, water leakage, air leakage. Fourth, check all the electrical switches, control levers are in neutral position or not. Fifth, fill the water tank full. Sixth, start engine. Check the gauges, air pressure, lights, brake, handbrake are normal or not. Observe the drum rotation is normal or not, if any noise. Second, concrete feed, transportation and discharge. First, concrete feed. A. Firstly, reverse transit mixer to make the feed hopper enter the discharge gate of batching plant. B. Before feeding concrete, must check if water remains in the drum. Otherwise, drain it off totally. C. On the engine idle condition, put the joystick to the feed position. Make the drum rotate at the proper speed. Considering the energy saving, make the drum rotate at the speed of 5 to 8 hours per minute. D. After feeding concrete, put the joystick to mix position. Make the drum rotate at the speed of 1 to 3 hours per minute. Lock the joystick. Put on the striker plate of main chute. Second, concrete transportation. Firstly, in order to keep concrete uniformity, the drum must rotate at a speed of 1 to 3 r per minute during transportation. Secondly, the cylindrical support of discharge device should be fixed during driving. Keep the main chute, extra chute are fixed and locked to avoid injuring pedestrians and other vehicles. Note: do not stop the drum during concrete transportation to avoid concrete segregation. Third, concrete discharge. A. When transit mixer arrive at site, put lever to feed proper position. Make the drum rotates at a speed of 8 to 12 r per minute for 1 to 3 minutes to mix well the concrete before discharge. B. Put the joystick to discharge proper position. According to the requirements of site, adjust the discharge speed until all the concrete are discharged. C. After finishing discharge, place the joystick to stop position. Stop the drum rotation. D. Wash clean the hopper, main chute, extra chute at site. Keep the city road tidy and avoid the remaining concrete solidification, especially in summer. E. Retract and fix the main chute. Put away the extra chute, place down the striker plate. Drive back to batching plant for next concrete transportation. 3. Transit mixer clean. In order to keep the transit mixer at a good condition, suggest to clean the drum interior, hopper, main chute, extra chute, and vehicle surface after every work shift. Especially clean the surfaces that touch with concrete to avoid the remaining concrete solidification. Note: do not flush the cab interior to avoid the damage of electrical system. Fourth, transit mixer regular maintenance. Perform the routine maintenance for the important position of mechanical, hydraulic system to keep the machine working on good condition. First, mechanical maintenance. First, check lubrication points of the control lever, chute lock handle, support pulley, and field grease if necessary. Second, check the lubrication point of transmission shaft. Fill grease at least once every month. Third, check the lubrication of drum rail. Fill grease at least once every month. Fourth, reducer maintenance. A. Check the reducer oil level and oil quality. Change it if any abnormal. B. Replace the gear oil at first 500H. Replace gear oil every 6 months or 20,000 kilometers, whichever occurs first. The gear oil type is 80W290 or 85W290. Second, hydraulic system maintenance. Check filter and hydraulic tank. First, check the filter. If the vacuum gauge value is more than 0.02 MPa, it means the filter is dirty and needs to be replaced. Second, check the hydraulic oil. Observe the discolor or emulsification through sight glass. Replace the hydraulic oil and filter if any abnormal. Replace the hydraulic oil the first 500H and every 20,000 kilometers or 12 months, whichever occurs first. The hydraulic oil type should match with local temperature. Fifth, transit mixer common faults. Common fault 1. The operation system jammed or no motion. Main reason: concrete solidification or undone routine maintenance. Solution: remove the concrete, mud, etc. Regularly fill the lubricant. Fill grease every week. Common fault 2. Supporting pulley can't rotate or make noise. Main reason: undone the regular lubrication or nut loose. Solution: firstly, regularly clean the dirties on the rail and supporting pulley surface. Regularly lubricate the supporting pulley or rail. Secondly, check the lock nuts. Torque value 150 Nm. Common fault 3. Main chute cannot be locked. Main reason: undone lubrication regularly. Solution: lubricate regularly at least once every week. Common fault 4. Fender is involved into tires. Main reason: fender is necessary for license plate application. Solution: Cut short the fender by 15 to 20 centimeters after get license plate. It's very important to follow the transit mixer operation manual. Safety always comes first at site. Do the maintenance regularly to keep machine runs on good condition all the time.